Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to today's video. Hope you all had a great day in the market. Once again, we did see momentum, which is absolutely fantastic to see in the market. But for me personally, as you can probably tell by seeing the figure on the thumbnail, yeah, we took a big loss today. A loss that was completely avoidable. Should have never happened, shouldn't have even been in the trade. But we took it, lessons learned. I'm going to talk about the lessons, sort of the reasons why this happened, because it's not even due to a sort of a trading plan. It's the fact that I didn't even have a trading plan, and that's a very important thing that I'm going to talk about today. So I'm not going to talk about the trade as much. I will show you here. You see shares total 600, so I took 300 shares. Basically, as you see here, in and out. This is just an average, but you see here VIVE. Basically, we got this major wash. I added, which is one of the probably cardinal sins that you can do, is add into losers. And then we never got the bounce and sold for a loss. So yeah, that was the trade today. I deserved the loss, definitely, because it was sort of, obviously it's my own fault, but I deserved it due to the fact that I wasn't prepared, and that's what we're going to talk about in today's video. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and give the video a like. It's never easy doing these videos, but I think they're really important. So yeah, let's talk about it. So basically today, a lot of you guys will know that I trade part-time now, and Wednesday, Thursday from my work schedule, it was my main days off this week. I'm still off tomorrow, but I actually went into work today. So what happened was, basically had my day off as normal, got called into work only to start just after 3 PM, which is basically half hour after the market opened. So I knew I could trade for about 15 minutes. But before that, basically, long story short, was time I got home, time I started to get ready for work, I just had sort of had the market on in the background. This is between sort of the really fundamental time, definitely between 2 and half 2. I basically wasn't looking at stocks. I just sort of looked which stocks were gapping up. I just had them on the background. I didn't really put any lines. I wasn't really checking how the stock's moving, how the stock's reacting, what's the news, where's support and resistance areas on the daily chart, all the fundamental stuff that you need to plan for. So what happened was, I was checking, I was doing all that just before the market opened. I basically sat down, was going through. VIVE made a little bit of a wash and then a pop, and I basically went over to, I think it was IPWR, yeah, that was it. This was making the move here, and I was keeping an eye on this, and as this was moving, I noticed that what's the VIVE? I noticed that this VIVE made a massive wash out. You see from the 960 area. I bought around the I think the first one you see here, I bought around the 890. It washed on me again. I added and washed again, and I added again, and then sold. Basically, long story short was, I had no plan for this trade. I had no plan pre-market. I had no preparation to get my mind into the market, my mind on what I'm going to trade, how I'm going to trade it, where's support, where's resistance area. Basically, just preparation. I had no preparation whatsoever, and it bit me in the arse today, because as you see from the loss. And then once again, so when something did happen, I just jumped in. There was no thought of where am I buying, where am I selling, where's support, where's resistance. I mean, this is a stock that was, yeah, it made a fantastic move, but it's selling off, and it's just selling off, and it had a pop. I know hindsight's always great to look at, but yeah, this and given recent momentum, you could say, yeah, it could have easily carried on, but the main thing was I had no game plan for this trade, and that's exactly what happened here. So once I bought in and it flushed against me, I should have just sold. This is a mistake I've made before on one of my biggest losses at the beginning of the year. Thought I learnt my lesson, obviously haven't, so definitely need to learn it now. But yeah, never add to losers. I should have just sold. Yeah, I would have lost 30, let's say I lost 30-40 cents. Well, that's only $30-40 rather than 150. So that's one of the key things that you see from, not even just from myself, but a lot of actual experienced day traders that are profitable, that cutting losers quickly is always the best thing. It's not nice, but that's what we need to do. So yeah, preparation is key. Towards the end, when I was trading in May, when I had my really good month, I was at the computer an hour before, so 1:30 till 2:30. That was just full preparation, keeping an eye on stocks, how they're moving, where the gaps are, support resistance areas. Just get my mind into game an hour before the market even opened, not just sitting down a few minutes before, because I'm rushing around trying to get ready for work. And yeah, after that, that was it. Obviously, I was done. Max loss, well, way gone past that, and couldn't trade the rest of the day because I was working. So back now, doing this recap, and that's pretty much it. So I will be back at it tomorrow. Definitely not working tomorrow. Definitely going to be sitting down an hour, at least an hour before, get my mind ready for the market, get prepared, and lesson learned. Just if this happened, if this, it's not in the case of the loss. This loss may happen again. It won't be my first loss. It won't be my last. And but if I lose because I wasn't prepared, then that's not really excusable, really. So that is it. That's the main lesson take from this video. You have to be prepared. It will bite you in the ass if you don't. You have to know where you're getting in. You have to know why you're getting in. You have to have a potential area to take profit. You have to have a game plan, not just see, oh, this is washing out a massive amount just to buy. That's no game plan. Yeah, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something from it. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.